Hi, and thank you for joining me. We're going to be going over how to submit a Corrigo work order on your mobile phone. Once you've downloaded the Corrigo application on your phone and logged in, open the application up and you'll see the Corrigo homepage. At the very bottom, you'll notice a navigation bar. We have notifications, request, new, and home. Home is going to always return you back to your home screen as displayed here. New is going to allow us to submit a new work order request. Request is going to pull up all previous work orders that we have submitted. And notification is going to allow us to adjust the settings for notifications received. For today's exercise, we're going to select new. Once we've selected new to generate a work order, the next screen is going to be asking us for the location in the building. This is a general location that we are selecting. Today's example is going to be going through if we were on the head house, third floor, men's bathroom, and saw a sink that was not working properly. So to submit that work order request, we have selected new, and we'll be selecting the head house, third floor as the general building location. Once we've selected the general building location, the selection for a specific location will come up next. The selections on this page will differ based on what the general selection was previously. So if we had selected Kellogg first floor, the selections available on this screen would be specific to that area of the building. The selections that we see on the screen right now are specific to the head house third floor area. So for today's exercise, we're going to be selecting the head house men's restroom on third floor. Next, we'll be selecting the repair category. For today's example, we're going to be selecting plumbing services. Next, we're going to be selecting the repair type. So for today's example, we're going to be selecting sink repair. The last screen is going to ask you to provide additional information. I highly suggest you do so whenever you can. If you have further location information or what you're experiencing, it does help our department make sure that we can get to that work order as fast as possible and resolve it properly. The next screen is going to be a detailed overview of the work order you're about to submit. You do have the option at the bottom to attach a picture. I highly suggest you do so. It really does help our department better identify what is being requested. Okay, once you've attached a picture, you can go to the top of the screen after you've reviewed everything and hit Submit Request. Okay, so your work order has now been submitted. Displayed on your screen is going to be the timeline of the work order. You'll see currently displayed in green is submitted because we just submitted that work order. Once the department acknowledges it and then starts the work and completes the work, the information will be displayed here. If you had additional pictures or a message that you wanted to share with us that you forgot to, you could do so at the bottom down here. Later on, if you wanted to review that work order or see where it was at, you could go to the bottom and hit the request button and open up that specific work order to view the details. I hope this training has been helpful. I appreciate you taking the time to go through it. And if you have any other additional questions or information, feel free to reach out to me directly. Thank you and have a good day.